Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and immediately preventing automatic downloads. First, backup contacts, photos, and app data to cloud or PC so you can roll back if needed. Once done, go to Settings right arrow about Phone right arrow System Update and turn off any auto-download or scheduled update options. Make sure Play Store auto-updates are set to Don't auto-update. This stops most automatic OTA pulls, while you prepare deeper controls to block the updater permanently. Next, you remove the updater's ability to run. Open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Show System Apps, find the updater or software update app, then force stop and disable it so it cannot start. Once done, restrict background data and Wi-Fi access for that app and enable Data Saver to prevent network-triggered checks. If you want a stronger, reversible block, connect to a PC and run ADB. A DB shell PM disable user 0com. Android, updater, or the device-specific updater package. This prevents the package from executing. Finally, reboot and verify the updater is still disabled by opening System Update. Make sure no scheduled tasks are present. Keep an eye for OEM pushes. Sometimes security patches re-enable services, so if the updater reappears, repeat the disable or rerun the ADB disable command. One key troubleshooting tip: if the updater keeps returning, perform a controlled factory reset or reflash stock firmware to regain a clean state, but only after restoring backups, because these steps erase user data and reset system defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.